crap, my gun broke. Never mind. Tell my children I love them.
Ha! Where was I? What do you mean, where was I? It's all wet now. So we're in the middle of a battle.
I'm probably gonna get shot.
But the other guy's somewhere up there. We had a free-for-all. I killed him. So now he's moonwalking. I have no idea where he is, so have this little tidbit for you guys. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Is it recess yet?
Yeah, it's totally recess because we're in the high school. They have all the best recesses.
He's probably sneaking up on me right now.
Yeah. I was actually a secret agent sent in to distract you. I'm a spy, so yeah. All you didn't suspect was I'm not actually a spy. You've got time from me.
Little puppy. Little baby boy.
And ever.
Don't be stupid, be a smarty. Come and join the Nazi party.
Nazi, can't sleep. Your camera's off, by the way.
No, it's not.
It's kind of pointed towards the side.
You mean like this side or this side?
Yeah. But it's fine. No.
Is that better? You meant like it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Devin, what do you think of the game?
Free-for-alls are stupid.
That's fine.
Even though I won, free-for-alls are stupid.
Alex, what do you think?
Those two people are idiots. Why did you use that? Oh God.
Snapplebee, this is on camera.
Had to have got him at.
Okay, so Aaron, before you got hit in your genitalia, what exactly did you what did you think of that? Would you do it again?
Well, yeah, but yeah, it was fun. It's just I wanted to sneak up on Appleby from behind, but you stole the kill, so that was no fun.
It's fine.
And then I was hunting you for a while, and then I just lost you in the thick brush down here.
There is no thick brush.
Yes, there is.
Thick brush up there.
Yes, I couldn't see through it.
So that's it. Spin.